Hi, everyone. So I wanted to talk to you tonight for our key analytics project. I wanted to talk to you about Tone It Up. I'm really excited. This is a brand that I've followed for a really long time, and they're really awesome. So the Tone It Up brand is an online fitness brand, and it really grew based on social media. Um, Instagram and Facebook is huge now for pretty much anyone that's a fitness person. They'll go on there, they'll share their websites, the workouts, they'll share their recipes and all that fun stuff. But these women started it because they were best friends and they just wanted to get in shape together while also supporting each other and creating like a great relationship between them and like fitness. So it's kind of a brand that I really kind of fell in love with and still use to this day and follow to this day. Market segmentation, what is it? Market segmentation is the dividing of brands' target market into groups and subgroups. Another way of looking at it is through segments, cohorts, and personas. So segments really covers like geography, seasonality, and like behavioral aspects versus cohorts, which is mostly based on like similar experiences and age. Is a big one. And then personas is pretty much just the ideal brand follower or who the brand thinks is, their ideal person. So for me, I created this persona just based on what I was able to view based on Tone It Up. And obviously, being myself a fan of the page, I kind of understand now what their community is. So the Tone It Up community, it's focused on helping women become the strongest version of themselves while also lifting each other up in a positive way to help them reach their goals. The founders, they want women to just love their bodies instead of nitpicking themselves. I realized that they have a few different subgroups of who they're reaching, but the most popular one is definitely college students or like women just out of college, which I really fall into, obviously, as a grad student. So I created Alexis, and she is a strong-willed and passionate individual. She's a senior in college. She lives in Texas, and she is definitely an extrovert. She loves hanging out with her friends at Starbucks, and she works really hard in school as a full-time student, but also working as an intern in her senior year. I created this persona based on what I was able to pick up on from looking at their own users for Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. And I kind of built Alexis around what I saw and really kind of what I felt for myself. So really, the Tone It Up, I wanted to share this as well. Their social following is huge. Obviously, I said before that they were founded on social media. So they're on the four big ones. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. The reason I'm talking about social media and not their overall website right now is because it's a huge part of who the brand is. And it's a huge part of how their brand actually works and how they convert people. So you'll see that they have, thousands of fans, millions of fans on Instagram. So their fan base is huge. So it makes sense that they're on all four of them, but their most popular is obviously Instagram for the reason that, if anyone is, using fitness, a lot of people today post on Instagram because it's an easy way to share your content with others and to have others view your content and start following you and your brand. And obviously that's how Tone It Up has become a multi-million-dollar brand at this point. So the KPIs for this are social media traffic and leads. So pretty much because they have such a huge social following, I think it's super important that they have the ability to check the metrics of where they're getting those leads and like all the people that are coming in for social. So a lot of people, I believe, find their brand through, Facebook and Instagram, and then they kind of make their way over to the main site. So it's interesting, and it's definitely something they need to measure just so you have an idea of like how well your social media is actually providing traffic to the site. So they obviously offer a ton of free stuff on their site, but at the end of the day, they want more leads. So they want people to sign up for emails. They want people to download their apps. They want people to sign up overall for the program and to buy stuff directly from their site. So that's more of a quantitative KPI versus a qualitative would be brand engagement / member retention. So this brand is all about building each other up while, working out and becoming the best version of yourself. So that's like the qualitative metrics that they're looking at. So they're, looking at how their users are engaging, not only with their social media, but how that's translating to their website. So, if they're posting about their new protein shake line, are people that are actually clicking through from the post going right to their actual product page and adding it to cart or looking for more information. So having that information about how they're engaging with not only their social, but also with their website, and if it's translating to more conversions, and then overall conversions. That's a huge KPI, obviously, for pretty much any brand. So for them specifically, they now have products. So they sell like workout gear, they sell protein shake mix, they sell, protein snacks. So for them, that's a huge thing. So they want to know if like their products are actually being sold. Another thing is that they not only sell their products directly on their website, but they also partnered with Target, and they have a line in Target. So I'm sure that they're probably comparing and contrasting if they're getting more sales and conversions from their website versus Target. So that's interesting. So really the targets for Tone It Up are to increase their web traffic through social media, which should be leading to more app downloads and email subscriptions or email subscribes. They want to review member sentiment through post metrics and how users are actually engaging with the site and on the site. And they want to increase their membership enrollments and the products that they're selling by creating marketing messaging for each sentiment and each segment. So, you're not going to send the same kind of product to a woman that's pregnant versus a college student. So they now have different types of brands that you can sign up for. So they have like a Tone It Up pregnancy, they have Tone It Up, for your mind, Tone It Up for weight loss. So they have different segments of their workout that you can sign up for. And that's obviously a huge part. So they're not going to want to send the same messaging to each and every one of those different segments. So really conclusion, these 3 KPIs should help grow the TIU brand. By using these insights, it's going to help them reach their overall goals of growing their brand and making people be more aware, but also providing better insights into who their users are and really how they're engaging within their community. So just to give you a quick idea, I wanted to look at Google, and if you look here, you'll notice that they're all over the first page, which is awesome. So they really they own the first page of Google search, which is great. So I hope you guys found those KPIs as informative as I think they are for this brand. And I'm interested to see what you guys think. So comment below and let me know. Okay, bye.